But where does this come from?
Let me tell you, son.
Do babies come down from over there? We could let you see, but right now, it is time for you, as they always say. A time for it, always. Every day we do it. There's blood, sweat, and tears going for them, but they don't hear it. Listen, our goal is to catch them for you, always, and then maybe keep them going. So don't worry, it is always safe and looks good. But where? Here. And anywhere. Do we like doing this? Great. We like them to be in your hands. But do you like your hands? Seal it, wrap it. Wow. Just make sure we wrap it before we tap it, the go button. It's on its way now. If you wanted it, cool. But if you didn't, you could need it. Can you? SiliconeDepot.com. When it goes, it flies, as it maybe will get to you if you're over 35.